could tell me what creativity means?
Creativity means to me that you can take many art supplies and use them to create a great picture or maybe a sculpture.
I think creativity, it kind of lets you get involved with your inner self.
The beauty of creativity is there is no right or wrong answers. So today we're going to be using these fun cans to get you started, and these are called Creativity Can. Give it a little shake and make a prediction about what you think is on the inside.
Beads, maybe googly eyes.
Then I want you to gently empty all the contents onto your paper.
We got a feather. We got
You're ready to get creative, right? Right. I say go for it. So today, while you are being your creative self, we're going to work on these 4 C's. We already talked about creativity. The second one is critical thinking. Every single can has exactly the same content. Everybody has the same starting point, but when we're finished, we're going to have such unique creations. That's the critical thinking.
I don't know what it is, but it's gonna turn out good.
You're also going to collaborate. That simply means working together.
Thanks, Savannah.
Then we have communication. When you are finished creating, you are going to get to communicate with your teacher about what you made. And there's a whole sheet that your teacher can choose from if she wanted to connect it to language arts, wants to connect it to social studies, or to science, or to mathematics. 1, 2, 3.
Creativity!
Excellent.